Okay, guys, I have to apologize. This is Zoom. Hiba hasn't activated her mic yet. By the way, let me share the screen, and I think that Tagreed and Ra'iq are missing. I hope just to be able to come and join us again. Okay, so again, I was saying before the disconnecting of the meeting that sometimes, guys, while you are watching a certain movie, you can hear the a word of or the sentence of "what's up." So the meaning of "what's up" is what is going on. Now we have this word, which is "what's on." Now the question is, can I use another or let me say different WH question with on, for example, like when it's on. Okay, so let's listen to the final recording and let's solve the final um, exercise in level 3, which is 6.11. Tagreed is coming, thanks God, before playing the recording. Okay, so this is it, and this is the final recording. Where is the file? Let me open it again. I think I lost it. Okay. So let's play and let's fill the
Tape
gaps.
script 6.11.
Let me erase my screen and let's start.
What's on? 1.
What shall we do today?
I'm not sure. How about going to the cinema?
I don't really feel like seeing a film.
So
Going to cinema.
going to the cinema. We have gerund verb ing. Going to the cinema. Exactly. This is cinema. This is N. I'm sorry. Let me try to write in bold. And I have to write cinema. Okay, so this is going to the cinema. This is N. Okay. Now, I don't really feel like what? Who remembers? Okay, let me replay and let's listen again. So this is it. Let's listen.
1.
What shall we do today?
I'm not sure. How about going to the cinema?
I don't really feel like seeing a film.
So
At seeing a film.
I don't really feel like seeing a film.
Seeing a film?
Yes.
Going to the cinema.
Yes, let me close this window, please. It's not your time. So going to the cinema and seeing a film. So notice that I can use gerund verb ing after how about and I feel like verb ing. So seeing a film. Okay. Now let's listen to the recording or conversation number 2.
2.
Okay. Would you like to go to an exhibition?
That sounds interesting. What's on?
Well, there's a Van Gogh exhibition.
Is it any good?
I think it looks really good.
Okay. So that sounds interesting and
What's on?
What's on?
it is
What's
about
on?
exactly what's on. So what is it about? The meaning of what is it about is what's on. It is
شو في
about
غيره؟
what the meaning of what's on is
إنه
this
شو في another choice.
it's like it's about what? Okay.
إنه شو هن another choice الغير إنه
What's on?
هالشي. Yes.
I can say it's about what? Okay.
Okay.
So it's about what has the same meaning of what's on. So it's about what? It is about Van Gogh or Van Gogh in some cultures exhibition. Now it's, or it is what? Or is it, sorry, it's a
Really
question.
good.
Is it really good? We have to repeat just to check. Is it really good? Good. So I think it really good.
It is.
Okay, let me write is and let's listen again. This is the recording. Let me go back a little bit.
2,
OK. Would you like to go to an exhibition?
That sounds interesting. What's on?
Well, there's a Van Gogh exhibition.
Is it any good?
I think it looks really good.
So,
Is it any good?
is it any good?
يعني قصده فيها إنه في شيء
Yes.
بهم
Do we have
إنه
something
نشوفه.
good? Yes, exactly. In attending or going to the exhibition. I think it is really good. Now we have to listen to the final recording, which is 3.
3,
Where is it on?
What?
What
Where is the bun?
Where is it on? So I can use where with on, not all the time what. So where is it on? Where is it on? Where this occasion, for example, I can say takes place. Takes place is happen. So where is it on? Where is it on? So where this occasion exactly happens, this is the meaning of where is it on. So what's on? Where is it on?
Teacher, can you
Ah.
repeat the meaning of where is it on?
Yes, the meaning of where, Jamila, by the way, is talking about a place. Notice Royal Academy, okay?
Okay.
And we said that we have what? Exhibition. So where I can say where does this occasion happen? Okay, so instead of saying where does this occasion happen, I can say simply where is it on?
Okay.
So what is on? Where is it on? They are good questions. Instead of saying what is going on and where this occasion or where does this occasion happen. So this occasion, this exhibition happens at the Royal Academy.
Teacher,
Okay.
what is meaning of exhibition?
Is معرض, a place where we can show pictures or artistic
Okay.
things like statues or something like that.
Maybe like a museum for picture or a gallery?
Oh, okay. It can be for pictures and it can be for something else like statues.
Okay.
Jamila,
Thank you.
It's not it must to be pictures about pictures, paintings all the time, but it can be something else just to show
Okay.
something. Okay. Now what's the Piccadilly Circus? Let's listen.
It's on at the Royal Academy.
Ah,
So notice the answer is it's on and you have to mention the place. So the answer of the question, where is it on, is it's on. After that, you can mention the place. Okay.
what's the nearest underground?
What? Again,
Can you
Teacher, can you
yes, we
repeat?
can. Yes, we can. Okay. Let me repeat that.
3,
Where is it on?
It's on at the Royal Academy.
Ah, what's the nearest underground?
What?
Nearest standard
Yeah,
God هيك شيء.
nearest. What's the nearest? The closest.
أقرب.
Yes. What's the nearest what? Underground. Do you know the meaning of underground?
like railway
Yeah, thank you.
or subway?
Underground.
Sorry.
Yes, like trains. Absolutely. The trains are running underground, not upground. The upground is railway station. Underground. Okay, guys? so underground, especially in Britain. It is famous for the underground. Now, let's complete listening.
Piccadilly Circus?
Mm-hmm. How much is it?
It's £12 and £8 for students.
What?
It's a 12 pounds and 8
Uh,
pounds for students.
Bravo. £8 for students. So £8 for students. Okay, let's complete listening to fill the final gap.
What time is it open?
From 10 till 6.
Right, good idea. Let's go.
So,
Good idea.
bravo. Good idea. And let's go to that exhibition. Good idea. So this is it about what's on and where is it on. I can say when is it on? Absolutely. When is it on is completely true, completely correct. So it's like what's up. I know that maybe you heard this sentence in a certain film or a certain book. So I can use these sentences just to, let me say, abbreviate the long sentences. So I think this is it. This is everything now concerning level 3. And absolutely, we will have a certain exam just to check your understanding or your proficiency about understanding level 3. Absolutely, I'm going to give you enough time to study. And let me ask you if 1 week is enough to study for the exam.
teacher 10 أيام or 15 يوم
Come
إنه
on. Why that long, Jamila?
because we have a school.
Okay. Your final exams. Exactly. Me too. I'm preparing now the final exams for my schools. By the way, let's vote. What do you suggest, guys?
Okay.
What is the best number of days you need to fully study for your exam?
From 15 or for 20 يعني.
Jamila is saying that 15 days. What do you think, Zainab?
1 week, it's enough, I think.
1 week, so 7 days. Raed,
About 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
weeks, so 14 days. Hiba,
أنا ما عندي مشكلة على الأغلبية أنا ما عندي شيء.
say number, please. What is the best day
طب أوكي
according
إذا عندنا امتحانات خلاص بعد أسبوعين أوكي 2 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks, 14 days. Let me ask Tagreed.
From 1 week to 10 days.
To 10 days. So
Maximum.
okay. So guys, approximately, the approximate number now is 14 days. So I'm going to give you 2 weeks just to be ready for the exam. I know that 2 weeks is really too much, but I know that now you are having the final exams in your school. Because of that, absolutely, we are going to consider this situation because now, as I told you, I'm preparing the same exams. So 14 days is enough. After 14 days, please, you have to be ready for the final exam. So it's the 29th of April, please, after 2 days, on Monday, the exam starts. Okay?
Okay. Thank
So,
you so much.
absolutely, I'm going to download all the videos because I know that you want to study and everything is going to be okay this night.
Okay. Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, Jamila.
إنه في verbs إنه like feel like إنه بيجي وراهم دايما الverb with ing.
Yes, I feel like what?
هيدول امتى حندرسهم إنه
It's not, it's really easy, Jamila. Okay, because let me tell you something. Jamila, you notice that feel is a verb. Okay, like in some places is a verb, so we cannot repeat too much verbs in the same sentence. So simply you have to use the gerund or verb ing.
Okay.
Okay, for example, yes, for example, I feel like having a good day. I feel like having a suitable mood. Huh?
Okay, teacher. Okay, thank you so much.
And absolutely, you can say, I don't feel like. I don't feel like, as you notice in the video, I don't feel like seeing a video. I don't feel like walking, for example, to the park or something like that. Yes.
Okay, right.
And Jamila, if you have any suggestion, for example, maybe your friend is going to say, I'm bored and we need to go somewhere. Maybe you want to say, how about visiting your friend? How about watching a movie? How about eating a pizza? How about walking along the beach? So notice that how about I used after have about gerund or verb ing. Okay, Jamila?
Okay, teacher.
And guys, if you want to master them, you have to use them. You have to practice them just to be able to master them, as I told you.
Okay,
Any other
thank you.
questions?
teacher
Hiba,
كتبت
yes.
لك ايميل قريته كتبت لك قريته
Have you sent it via WhatsApp?
yes
No, not yet, because I think, Hiba, it's only you who wrote the email. I'm waiting for the others just to finish writing the email. By the way, guys, the correction of the email is going to be on Wednesday because the next class is on Wednesday. Am I right? So please try to finish writing it as much as you can because after 2 days is going to be the day of correction your email.
Okay,
Thank you, Hiba. Absolutely, I'm going to save it for the next 2 days to correct your email. So
Okay,
please
teacher.
don't forget writing the email. It is really important. And I have to confess that this course was one of my favorite course. You are really smart, you are amazing, and I really wish the best for you.
Thank you so much, teacher.
So I have to thank you again, and
Yes,
let me
teacher.
wish you a good night. Bye bye, bye bye.
bye.
Bye.